In Seoul, South Korea, shares of Samsung Electronics are outperforming the overall market, or the broader market, I should say. A number of positive reports actually driving the mood into the happy zone. June, good morning. Most of the reading I've been doing, or most of the things I've been hearing about Samsung, are how they've really hit their heyday, they've hit their pinnacle, and Chinese companies like Xiaomi are starting to eat their breakfast. So it's nice to see some positive reports for a change.
Hi, Bernie. That's right. Most of the reports so far have been pretty negative in terms of outlook and things like that. But today we are seeing a major rally for Samsung Group shares, Samsung Electronics, Samsung Life Insurance, and Samsung CNT showing a big gains this morning. And now that third quarter earnings and the disappointment that came with it is out of the way for Samsung Electronics, holding structure reform is the next big thing for Samsung Group. And expectations of these reforms are seen to be the biggest factors in today's gains, according to local analysts. Dividend and share buyback expectations are also being factored in. And also, analysts are expecting fourth quarter earnings to show a similar picture as the last two quarters. So pretty weak in terms of the mobile business. But they are saying a fourth quarter will at least have the Note 4 sales being factored in. And also, the memory chip and display businesses are seen to show some form of a improvement. So these reports, along with strong earnings with the likes of Samsung Life reporting third quarter operating profit up almost 840%, are driving the gains today.
Well, a number of the markets are positive territory here today. In fact, one of the big gainers is actually the Kospi, the South Korean equity market. Number of positive developments, them signing a free trade agreement with China today. But I believe we have also some big moves in the consumer technical giants, Samsung Electronics. Let's get to the details with Yoon in Seoul. Hi, Yoon. Good morning.
Hi, Adam. That's right. One of the big movers in the markets today are Samsung Group shares. Huge rally for these names: Samsung Electronics, Life Insurance, CNT, SDI, all trading higher. In the case of Samsung Life Insurance, we are seeing gains of almost 5% since the open, still up almost 5%. Third quarter operating profit came in up almost 840%, and revenues were down about 2%. But they are saying that this is a good performance during a low interest rate environment. So we are seeing shares react to this. But overall, total assets and income, pretty much everything showed an improvement for the third quarter for life insurance. But also for the group as a whole, Samsung SDS's IPO coming this Friday is said to be the third biggest IPO ever on the Kospi. So this is also bringing these shares higher. And now that third quarter earnings for Samsung Electronics is out of the way, holding structure reform for Samsung Group is the next big thing. And analysts are expecting that these reforms will be the biggest factor in pushing up Samsung Group's shares in the next quarter. So dividends, higher dividends, maybe more share buybacks are also expected by analysts, according to reports coming out today.
Good. Thank you for the update, June. We appreciate it.